All right, today we are going to be making a precipitate, which is a solution that's cloudy, which is formed by a chemical reaction from two solutions that are otherwise clear. And we're going to use magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, that's Epsom salt, in a solution of water, and washing soda, that's sodium carbonate, also called washing soda, in a solution with water. So the first thing we need to do is pour a little bit of washing soda into this cup and a little bit of magnesium sulfate into this cup. These cups both have some water in them already. So let's pour them in and then stir them up. Stir carefully. Hold the cup while you stir.
Okay.
Stir it up. Stir it up, stir it up. Okay. And we want to keep stirring that washing soda in until it's as clear as we can get it. It takes some time. Now, once we finish stirring, we need to rinse off our stirrer. Otherwise, we're going to contaminate our second solution with sodium carbonate. All right, so we're going to go rinse it off camera. All right, so now you've noticed that we let it settle. Our knife is rinsed and clean. Our stirrer is rinsed and clean. And the solution has become quite clear. All right, the next thing we're going to do is pour a little bit of magnesium sulfate, that's Epsom salt, into this cup of water here and do the same thing and stir it up. All right, here, you take this. All right. I'm going to pour some in. Okay, mix it up.
Okay.
All right, we're going to stir and stir and stir. This one will become clear a lot more quickly. Notice how clear our sodium carbonate solution has become. Okay. Okay, now it might be hard for you to see, but the magnesium sulfate solution has become quite clear. Normally, if you mix two clear solutions, they'll be clear whenever they mix. But what we have between magnesium sulfate and sodium carbonate is a chemical reaction that's occurring. And we're going to find out that a chemical reaction occurs because a precipitate is formed. So let's see if we can get a precipitate. We're going to put a couple of drops of the magnesium sulfate into the sodium carbonate solution. Okay, let's see how it goes. We should get a... Oh yeah, you see that precipitate forming? That cloudy stuff is a new chemical compound that's been formed. Right? You see the solution? And you see the precipitate? Yeah, that cloudy stuff there, that is a precipitate that formed. Two clear solutions created a cloudy one. The liquid has now taken away the sodium, and then the liquid has become sodium sulfate. And the magnesium has now bonded with the carbon to create a magnesium carbonate. So the chemical reaction occurs when some of the atoms switch places between the molecules. And that cloudy, milky solution that we see there, that's what a precipitate is. Two clear solutions forming a solid. You want to pour a little bit in? Right, carefully. Pour a little bit in. Yeah, that's a precipitate. We have a chemical change occur. Okay, let's do the next one.